Hi there everyone, so this is BMP conversion, BMP carbon E30 M3 EVO 2 splitter. So this item is basically made by us, custom made in-house. We basically have manufactured it so that we can fit it ourselves. The main reason we manufacture all these parts is because we used to buy them off other companies, and when you come to fit them, they're basically an absolute nightmare to fit because no company uses the inner clip mounts or actually makes the inner clip mounts onto the items. So we pride ourselves with actually making the inner clip mounts on the actual item, including all the little holes that come with the fitment of the item. So as you can see on the inside of this, we've actually included all the inner clip mount all the way around so that this item will literally fit straight on with the factory clips. So you can slide your factory clip up here that has a little thread on, you drill your bumper out, your EVO 2 bumper, and you just bolt it straight onto the bumper. The inner clip mount obviously has the little pop-in holes as well, so we pre-drill them for you. So they're all pre-drilled, ready to fit onto your bumper. And the quality of the item is, I would say, quite high quality. It isn't your normal thin fiberglass. We actually make it to a nice substantial thickness, so that it will take, you know, if you hit, heaven forbid, if you hit a little animal, it will take the abuse of, you know, accidentally hitting something on the side of the road. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with the way this item's turned out. This is exactly the same principle as the M3 side skirts that we make with the internal clip structure. No other company, as far as I'm aware, sell it with the internal clip structure at this price. So there's a lot of other companies out there that make this item. None of them include that structure. And that structure is definitely strong enough to hold the original clips, or hold the item on with the original clips. The surface of the item, so the main thing is our surface along here is perfectly flat, nice and smooth, has no rippling, hasn't sunk. A lot of these EVO 2 chins over the years actually sink inwards instead of being flat, and they basically, it's just the plastic that's gone old. We actually moulded off a brand new item, so the plastic is absolutely perfect. Our mould was taken off the item whilst the item was actually attached to a bumper, so the actual item is perfectly flat, perfectly in line, exactly how it should be. And yeah, we pride ourselves with this part. We have many more parts like this with internal clip mounts. All our bumpers come with the original mounts. We can supply all the fitting kits. You know, by all means, give us a call, ask us for a quote, send us an email or WhatsApp. And yeah, if you like this item, EVO 2, E30 M3 EVO 2 chin. We're now working on producing the EVO Sport chin as well. So you can buy the two, bolt them together and have a bit more of an extended chin. But yeah, this is a very nice item. I actually have one of these on my own car. And once it's painted, you cannot tell the difference between the original item and our item. Just to give you some idea, when you receive our fiberglass part, this is just a fiberglass gel coat that the item is in, and it still needs to be primed and painted. You may find there is some slight little sand marks on it, just where we've you know, made the item smooth for you. I don't know if you can see that in the video very well, but there's a dull area just there, just where it's been sanded. That isn't a problem anyway. Just a dull area along there where it's been sanded. Basically what we do is we sand down all the edges and make it nice and smooth, ready for when you actually want to apply your primer. When it comes to painting the item anyway, you're going to have to sand the entire item to key it up to get a nice paint finish on it. But yeah, so I'm very, very pleased with the way that this item came out. And if you want an item that fits like an OEM factory item and actually is, you know, substantially stronger than the others on the market, give us a call. Thank you from Spencer at BMP Conversions, BMP Carbon. You can contact us through Facebook, our website, or on WhatsApp. You can Google us and find our contact details. Thank you. Bye-bye.